The International Organization of Securities Commissions is preparing to launch its fourth annual World Investor Week for the year 2020 to promote investor education, as investors need to manage their finances and investments efficiently to strengthen their resilience in the face of growing economic uncertainty. You are welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we bring you updates from the Nigerian capital markets. This edition captures the market performance for Wednesday, August 19th, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the equities market maintained uptrend as trading activities closed on a positive note as NASD ASI inched up further by 0.14%. Its year-to-date returns currently stands at negative 6.22%. All share index closed at 25,171.32 basis points with a market capitalization of 13.130 trillion naira in 3,108 deals. The market closed with 13 gainers to 13 losers. The top gainers for equity were Studio Press Nigeria, International Breweries and Jaiz Bank, while the top losers were CAP, Royal Exchange and PZ Cousins Nigeria. From this, market sentiment and market bread closed flat as investors gained 18.19 billion naira. Zenith Bank, Access Bank and Transnational Corporation of Nigeria were the top players in terms of trade volumes and most active to boost market turnover. Looking at the NASD OTC exchange, the NSI and market capitalization dipped by 0.15% to close at 709.43 basis points and 521.12 billion respectively. Furthermore, the change in volume traded was 42.45 to close at 761,395. The value traded also declined to 61.40 million naira as 8 deals were executed for the day. For the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 28.71 trillion naira. The NAFEX rate inched up to close at 386 naira 37 kobo, while the I&E FX rate opened at 386 naira 34 kobo and closed at 386 naira to a dollar. You can also check for global, commodity, currency and other indices on the economic dashboard displaying on your screen. For the highlights from yesterday, Sussman & Associates had its webinar that featured experts and professionals in the capital market community. For the post-COVID-19 capital market recovery strategies, DG of the Securities and Exchange Commission, Dr. Lamido Yuguda, emphasized that there would be continued implementation of the Capital Market Master Plan alongside other innovative policy mix, which includes the improved use of technology to favor automation. He also reassured stakeholders of the required regulatory support for the market in difficult economic periods. On his part, Mr. Bola Onodele Koko, CEO of FMDQ Group, sharing insights on the strategies for recovery and market transformation, stated that the FX market should operate in alignment with legislation, registration of central counterparties, and provision of major incentives for listing. The first Capital Market Committee webinar meeting for this year is scheduled to hold today and will be chaired by the DG of SEC, Dr. Yuguda. And that brings us to the end of this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more market updates. Do connect with us on our social media platforms showing on your screen. The ProShare mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Until we come your way again, thank you for watching.